Juliana. Juliana, look. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Open it.
Aunt Krista and Uncle
Open it.
Jeff. Rip some of it for her.
Open it. Open it.
What is that? What is that? Oh!
Can you get that side?
Just go on and take it out. She looks like, look at that. Oh! Somebody's happy. Say thank you. Say thank you. Seal of approval. Does it go in her mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got the seal of approval. Merry Christmas, you guys. Thank you. You like that? Ooh.
Here, let me take it out. Let me take it out for you.
Where are you taking it?